Alright guys, we've got the car home here safely now. It's the next day. And yeah, she looks pretty fucked up, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it and we're gonna make it better than it was. So yeah, we've got this to do. So bumper, fender, guard, whatever. And we've got a power steering rack to replace because the casing of that cracked. What you doing, boy? Hey, stop that. Yeah, so the power steering rack cracked. Don't know how that happened. Now I don't know if it fully cracked, me dropping into that dirt in that clip you just saw, because when I drop into the dirt you can hear kind of like a thud. So I think that could have been hitting the steering rack, but because I only lost steering after the crash, but I feel like that definitely assisted the steering rack in cracking. So I'm not fully sure, but that's just what my theory is. If that didn't happen, we would have still been driving the second day, but oh well. Shit happens, so let's fix it.
Like I blister in the sun, let me go on. Big hands, I know you're the one. Body and beats, I stain my sheets, I don't even know why. My girlfriend, she's at the end, she is starting to cry. Let me go on. Like I blister in the sun, let me go on. Big hands, I know you're the one.
So my dad just fixed the bumper up with staples. Oh, that's good. I didn't think that was going to go back together.
I think I can salvage it. I'll fiberglass as well.
I was putting the parts up to it and it wasn't matching up, but nice.
Yeah. Let me go on, like I blister in the sun. Let me go on. Big hands, I know you're the
So it's been about a week since we did this, and this thing just came in. Our brand new steering rack. So we've got the car all jacked up. Let's chuck it in. Look at that thing. So I'm just going down to the shed because I'm thinking with this new power steering rack, we can chuck a cooler on it. We've got a power steering cooler, and it'll just make it last a bit longer. Even though it's brand new and it'll last ages, it'll still last longer if we chuck a cooler on it. So if I can remember where it is. I found it. So there's the cooler. It was used on the old auto transmission because you can use these for transmissions too, but only autos. Previous owner just got it from AU House, so I'm thinking we chuck it on the steering rack and it'll make it last longer and maybe even make it feel a bit better if you're doing long events. So yeah, I'm thinking we chuck that on. Alright, so Dad's under the car doing the power steering cooler right now. And this is the old steering rack. So I just took the rack spaces out of this because we had rack spaces in there. And also took the tie rods off. And putting it on the new one here. So yeah. Already got the rack spaces in.
So the other one was broken. So
So the cooler's on, steering rack's on, we just did an alignment, filled up with power steering fluid, and yeah, steering rack is done, so we'll give it a drive. Alright guys, so we have fixed the AU, got the new steering rack in and now driving it and it feels great. So we did do an alignment.